Hey, let me show you a comparison between the 12 megapixel photo and the 50 megapixel photo taken with the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So first I'm gonna show you this 12 megapixel photo. As you can see, this is actually 12 megapixel. And now I'm gonna show you the difference. So we are going to focus on the nose of the Mieszko first. This is actually the first king of Poland. And when you take a look, especially on this line, we can find some details, but when we move into the 50 megapixel mode, take a look, we can find definitely more details, especially when you take a look right here on this line that actually create the nose of the Mieszko first. So now we can also take a look for some other. I was actually focusing right here on his nose, but we can also try to reach some other data. Maybe right here. This is actually pretty small. So it looks like this. Let's move into the 12. Okay, let's go back into this 50 megapixel. Okay, so we can actually zoom in a little bit closer, and for me it's actually more visible. So this phrase is actually more visible on the 50 than on the 12. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. What you think about this part of this photo? So that's how it looks on this 50 megapixel, and that's how it looks on the 12. Okay, so I'm actually not sure about this part, but definitely when we were looking on the nose, on the 50 we can find more details because we can actually zoom in much closer. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.